Guys, this is 12-volt BMS. This can control up to 3.7 volt battery of lithium battery BMS. Okay guys, you need a lithium battery holder like this and 3.7 volt battery of 3. Okay, this is the here come 12 volt of positive of the lithium battery, and here is the 7 volt, around 7 volt or 6 or 7 volt, and here is 3.7 volt battery. So how can you connect? Just first here you can see here you have to join this one, this positive one to here, and this one is to here 7 volt, and this one to the 3.7 volt battery positive one. So and this one is ground, so you have to P0 is this. So this is very simple connection anyone can do. Just follow the steps. Guys, so here you can see this is ground one, where here you can see 7 volt or 8 volt. This one is connected to this here, and so let's connect. Let's remove this. Maybe if you do wrong connection, then it's more have chance to be born. So yeah, this is the ground, and this is 3 volt, ground 3.7 volt. Okay, so here I have multimeter, so let's check the voltage of this BMS. If the connection will wrong, then this is, so let's check. You can see the 12 volt. So this, okay, this is finished. This is very simple and easy to connect this BMS to this lithium battery. So if you want to charge this battery, then you can around 12 volt battery, you can directly connect to here, and this will charge. Guys, this is 12 volt LED. So I'm gonna give the load test. So let's give load, and you can see the LED is glowing very well. So this circuit is good. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoy the video.